All right, final little part of the video. I'm gonna pull the car outside so we can get a view of the wheels on the car. I only put the driver's side on. As you can see, there's one there. So I can give you guys a little comparison. I really like both wheels. The 16s have really grown on me, but I wanna see it outside for the first time. So let me get this thing out. All right, you guys ready? Full view. Kind of dig it. It's on a hill, so the stance is a little weird. Here we have the 17 still on the car. Just a little bit more meat. I really do kind of like the 16 look. Ignore how dirty this is. I really like them. They don't look actually too big outside. Just they look okay. I think the fitment's pretty good on. I don't think you could do 15s on this car. 16s, yes. 17s, yes. 18s would probably be the biggest. Would probably go and look decent. Also forgot a new wheel. And that's it. Car will be just kind of parked until summer now. Those new tires are sticky enough that it's picking up the leaves. I really like these wheels. I really like the 16s. I was afraid they were going to look a little bit weird with a little bit bigger sidewall, but I actually really like them. I'm really torn between these and the streets now, but I'm going to run them this year for sure. Run those tires, see how a 50 series tire feels racing, and that's basically it. So Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, everyone. Hope you guys like this little video series, and till the next video.